Hi guys, welcome back to Sadler Up Nails. I'm so excited for this video because I figured out how to make foil water decals. So in this video, I am going to show you how I made these really awesome butterfly holographic water decals. So like and subscribe to my channel, guys, and keep watching. So first we start out by making our template in Word, and I did show you how I did this in my last video on how to make just regular water decals. So if you want to see how I find my images and size them out, you can go watch that one. Now for these, you are going to need a laser printer. So you are going to have to invest a little bit more if you want to make these, but to be honest, laser printers really aren't that expensive these days. I bought this HP laser printer from Staples. I think it was around $250. So this one, it does need to be face up. Make sure you're feeding your paper the right way. So I'm just loading in my transparent decal paper. You are going to want to do these on transparent. Well, actually, I don't know. I'm going to test white later. So here I'm just hitting print. And then if you watch how fast this goes, these laser printers are awesome. Way faster than an inkjet. Now, when I'm working with the foil decals, I do like to cut the template out smaller because I just find it's a lot easier working with the foil. And the foil I am using is by Mink, M-I-N-C, and I found this at Walmart. It is the same transfer foil that you use on nails. If I had known about this earlier, I would not have been paying for those little tiny rolls from China. Yeah, get yourself out to Walmart and check out the craft section. So now what I'm showing you here is what I've realized is that if your foil has a grain in it, you're going to want to run it through the machine with the grain. So that's what I was just showing you there. And then you also are going to need to use one of these pouches, which came with the machine that I'll be showing you later. Because it just protects the foil from getting eaten by the machine. It is a very, thin film, so you don't want it to get eaten up by the machine. So it just protects it from doing that. And you are going to need to hold your foil down and then slowly fold your pouch over top, and it clings like static, and then you're just going to want to smooth it out nicely so that you don't have any wrinkles or creases in your foil. So now I bought the same foil laminator as the brand of foil that I'm using. It's the same Mink, M-I-N-C. I also got this from Walmart, so I was just turning it on, and then I turned it up to level 4. You know it is ready to go when the light turns green, and then you just feed your pouch through, and you're going to want to feed it through the folded side of the pouch first, not the loose ends, so that they don't, get all weird on you. So I'm just feeding it through here. Now, I did speed the video up a bit. This machine goes extremely slow. And I want to show you, you can see that some images got transferred onto the pouch by accident. And I just want to add that I was able to clean that up after with some acetone on a cotton pad, and it did not ruin the pouch. So yeah, I just wanted to add that. So safety first, turn off your machine because it does stay hot if you leave it on, and level 4 is like one of the highest temperatures, so make sure you turn that baby off. And then you're just going to take your images out of your pouch like this, and then watch the magic happen. This is the most satisfying part. Oh yeah. Now, not all foils come off as clean as the holographic one. I find the holographic works best. If you do find that not all the foil comes off, you can flake it off with like a clean toothbrush or even lightly with your nail. Just a little tip. And you are going to want to seal these with the same spray that I used in the previous water decal video. And yeah, there you have it. Foil water decals, homemade. How awesome is that? Now, if you don't want to buy a laser printer, I do sell these on my website, www.sadlerupnails.com. Thanks, guys.